Hey guys, Bill with Kansas Flamingo Chef and Barkley here at the bar today. And if you like the flavor of orange, I've got a treat for you. These are the ingredients: triple sec, orange vodka, an orange, 7-Up, and orange bitters. And we're going to make an orange crush. Okay, I've started by taking my medium-sized navel orange. I've cut it in half. I've cut just a little bit off the back, and then a thin orange wheel that we'll use for garnish. The rest of this we're going to squeeze into juice. You can use any kind of juicer you like. I like this old style press juicer. Use whatever you want. Now, after squeezing that navel orange, I've got about 3 to 4 ounces of juice. That's about what you want. In a highball glass full of ice, we're going to go ahead and put that fresh squeezed orange juice right in the bottom. You can use any kind of vodka you want. I like this Absolute Mandarin just to give it a little more orange flavor. You need 2 ounces. Triple sec. I use about an ounce. I've got some orange bitters. I'm going to give it about 3 or 4 shots of that. Last but not least, you need some lemon lime soda. Now, I like this 7-Up Zero. You could use Sprite. You could use whatever you want. Really doesn't make a difference. It's just adding a little bit of bubbles on the top. And just take your bar spoon and very lightly move it together. Last but not least, an orange slice. And that's an orange crush. It's a unique, very orangey flavor that I really like. Give it a try. See you on the next one. If there's something you want me to make, all you got to do is drop me a line. Bill at kansasflamingochef.com. Eat and drink fabulous, and I'll see you soon. Remember to subscribe, like, and share.